Hello guys, welcome to Ashok Devops YouTube channel. Devops is a set of practices to code, build, test, deploy, operate and monitor your application. One of the core principles of DevOps is continuous integration, which developer commit their code on daily basis to a repository. Each commit will trigger one CI workflow. It will show whether the code is compatible or not with the system. If it is compatible, it will deploy it to the application onto a web server. When two developers are working on a shared repository, when the code is merged, git merge issues, conflicts will occur, and after some time, they will deploy the code to the system, which will report a lot of issues. To prevent these issues, we have nice tool GitHub Actions. I have a Node.js application. Here you can click on Actions, create new workflow. Already I have a workflow, node app deploy YAML. Go to the file node app deploy.yaml. Here you can see for each push on master branch, the pipeline will trigger and it will build the application, install the dependencies, run the tests. Once the tests are completed, it will go to the deployment. In the deployment, it will deploy the application to web application. Now let's go to the Visual Studio Code and introduce one commit on the master branch. Here I am editing index file. Here I am updating the content on index file and adding one commit message, and click on commit and push the changes to master branch. Once the changes are pushed, it will trigger automatic workflow in Azure GitHub Actions. Here the code will build the application and test the application and deploy the application. Now the application is deployed. Let's go through the URL. Here we can see the application is deployed and running fine on the cloud server. So with the help of this GitHub Actions, you can automate your code, build, test and deploy your application onto the cloud. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe video. Please encourage the videos so that I can produce more content like this. Thank you.